Vault eTMF is a cloud-based electronic trial master file system that gives sponsors and CROs real-time access to clinical documentation at every point in a trial setup, execution, and archival to ensure a constant state of inspection readiness, increase visibility and oversight, and improve collaboration. With the TMF homepage, I can easily view critical information for my TMF in real time, such as upcoming milestone and expected document information, which is created from a template starting base, in addition to dynamic charts, which allow me to visualize the completeness, timeliness, and quality information for my study. In addition, I can see outstanding task information, and I could drill into any of these tasks or take direct action from this homepage. With the Tmf Viewer, I can view and manage my TMF documents for a specific study, country, or site by browsing through and switching between configured document type hierarchies. Another way to view content within eTMF is through the Document Library tab, which is more of an unstructured area, but still allows me to narrow down the documents that I'm seeing using searching and filtering. Taking a look at one of the documents once it's opened, on the left, I have a PDF rendition of my document, and on the right, I have the metadata that's associated with it. From my Workflow Actions menu, I'm able to see the different actions I can take on this document in its current state. Vault eTMF is designed to be an active content management system, which allows you to manage the full lifecycle of eTMF documents within the system through life cycles and workflows, instead of just acting as a repository for final documents. So here for this document, I can see that I can take it all the way from authoring and review to QC and log quality issues through getting it to a final approved state. Vault allows me to upload documents in multiple different ways. I can use my Create button to upload documents through a standard uploader. I can drag and drop documents to an expected document, or I can use my document inbox, which allows me to upload documents in bulk up to 250 at a time. If I want to, I can apply a study, country, and site at this point, but I do not have to. And now the documents are being uploaded into my document inbox here, and it just takes a matter of a few seconds for those 15 documents to upload for me. Switching my view, I can take a look at this grid view, and I can see that in the backend, the TMF bot has used artificial intelligence to classify these documents for me. So it's now applied a type, subtype, and classification based off of the trained model, which is trained on the contents of my vault. Vault's standard reporting and dashboard capabilities provide oversight and visibility into key TMF metrics through standard out-of-the-box reports and dashboards, as well as the ability to create your own reports and dashboards to visualize the metrics that you're most interested in seeing. The reports are dynamic, so I can drill into specific information as necessary through hyperlinks, as well as export them out of the system if I need to.
To learn more, please visit viva.com/clinicalops.